U.S. consumers lose millions of dollars each year due to wire fraud. Bad actors often use wire transfers to scam victims to send them money. And bad actors know that wiring money is like sending cash, meaning once the wire is gone, the chances of recovery are slim, and it can be difficult to track or identify who actually received the funds. Common wire scams include but aren't limited to classified ad scams. And that's where a fake buyer pretends to be an interested buyer, sending payment via a counterfeit check for more than the sale price and asking you to wire the extra amount back to them. Fake sellers post bogus ads and only accept payments via wire transfer or via a phony escrow company. Fake check scams: someone sends you a check, asks you to deposit it, and wires some or all of the funds back to them or to another person. The check turns out to be fake, but you've already wired the funds. Romance scams happen when the bad actor creates a fake profile on a dating site or app, strikes a relationship with the victim, and then makes up a story asking you to wire money. Family emergency scams happen when the bad actor calls or emails the victim pretending to be a friend or relative, claiming they need cash for an emergency, such as getting out of jail or to leave a foreign country. And they often ask you for secrecy and ask you not to tell anybody in your family. Apartment or vacation rental scams happen when the bad actor requests you wire money for an application fee, security deposit, or to secure the first month's rent as a deposit, only to find out the property doesn't exist or isn't actually for rent. So here's some tips to protect yourself from wire fraud. Never wire funds to anybody you haven't met in person, done business before, or unless you can completely verify their identity. Anyone who calls you claiming they're from a government agency or well-known company asking you to wire funds. Anyone who pressures you to pay immediately. Anyone who claims you can only pay via wire transfer. If someone solicited you trying to sell a product over the phone, be wary. If the caller or email appears to have originated from a different country, or if the email contains grammatical and/or typographical errors. If you buy something online via a classified ad, only deal with local buyers and sellers, and only accept payment in the amount of the selling price. And if someone claims they're a family member or relative, call the person at a verifiable phone number to validate the request. And finally, if someone requests money, that you wire money for an apartment or vacation rental, validate the contact information for the person or company renting the property. Conduct online searches for the owner name, property address including images, and who owns the rental website, paying attention to any discrepancies as compared to the posting. And investigate owner memberships to find out if the owner is in good standing.